Welcome to the Stoic tide. There's an art to showing interest while you keep her chasing without killing the attraction. The key is to not drown in your own need for validation. The truth is, women are used to being chased. Their brain filters out desperate energy like spam. When you're always texting, calling, or overgiving, she subconsciously thinks, if he's this available, how valuable can he really be? On the other hand, acting cold and distant doesn't work either. If she doesn't feel any spark of interest, there's nothing to chase. To support this channel, like and subscribe. See, when you show too much interest, she doesn't feel chosen. She feels safe. And safety doesn't make her heart race. Mystery does. Challenge does. The unknown does. You think love is about giving her everything, but women don't fall for generosity. They fall for gravity. Don't text her every day. Don't explain your silence. Let her wonder where you've been. Let her replay the last conversation in her mind. Like a movie she's not done watching. That's how you stay on her mind, not by chasing, but by leaving space. Because space creates tension, and tension creates desire. Every time you respond too fast, you teach her your time is cheap. Every time you over-explain, you tell her you fear being misunderstood. But a Stoic man doesn't fear misunderstanding. He lets his energy speak in riddles. The goal isn't to make her feel owned. It's to make her feel drawn. Drawn to a mystery she can't decode. Drawn to the calmness she can't shake. Drawn to the depth that looks at her and sees right through the performance. So you show interest, but you keep your center. You lean in, but never fall. You make her laugh, but never need her reaction. You listen, but never seek approval. Because the second she feels you need her validation, you've lost your gravity. Your silence should speak louder than your compliments. Your distance should make her nervous. Not because you're playing games, but because you have a life that's bigger than her. And when you do show interest, it's real, grounded, precise. Your energy feels peaceful today. I like how you think. Simple, raw, no flattery, no agenda, just awareness. Because real interest doesn't need decoration. It needs direction. That's the secret. Interest without attachment. Warmth without weakness. Presence without obsession. That's how you make her chase you. Stay dangerous. Stay stoic. Stay blessed.